it's me, Kim of Love at Home, and today I'm going to show you my usual nighttime cleaning routine. So I'm not saying that I do this every single night, but usually I do. And in this video, it's in collaboration with one of my good friends here on YouTube, Nathalia Fernandes. So she's one of the sweetest girls I've met here, and she does a lot of cooking and clean with me videos similar to the content that I have. So I hope you consider going to her channel. I'm going to insert a clip of her video just to introduce to you what she's all about. Nathalia has a lifestyle channel where she shows organizing, cooking, cleaning, gardening, vlogs, and self-care videos. She has a lot of what I eat in a day and day in a life type videos, as those are her favorites. She is Brazilian and Italian and is 28 years old and has been married for over 2 years now. She will be showing a nighttime pamper routine which you can apply to yourself after your night of cleaning. As much as it is important to take care of our homes, it is also important to take care of ourselves. So make sure you go over to Nathalia's channel, and I will add the link of her video to the description box down below, and make sure you give her a comment letting her know that I sent you. So for this video, you will see me doing a usual nighttime routine that I do. So it'll start off with tidying up all the tables, like the dining tables and the kitchen countertops, and then I will give them a quick spray of this Method all-purpose cleaner. And it's my first time using this all-purpose cleaner. My husband recommended it to me because it says there that it's plant-based and minimal chemicals, but I would still be using a mask because I wouldn't want to inhale all those fumes. So I'm just gonna give this a quick spray and let it set for a couple of minutes or seconds. And then while I'm waiting it for it to set, I'm just gonna fold my plastic bags, because who doesn't fold their plastic bags? After a couple of seconds, I'm going to wipe this table, and it's a lot easier to wipe off the grease or the dirt on the table because you have let the all-purpose cleaner do its magic for a couple of seconds, and it really makes a huge difference. So I don't know about you, but when I see a clear table without any kind of clutter, it's just very relaxing. I feel as though I'm in a hotel. A simple hotel, but a nice one. I'm gonna zoom back to the kitchen and tidy up all our dirty dishes. So usually I don't pre-rinse, but when I do, it's because there's a lot of food that's left over on our utensils, plates, or pans. So even though we have a food waste disposal on our sink, we also like to add these strainers on them to make sure that our sink will last longer. I clean the sink with soap and water every night or once every 3 nights. I try to have a schedule, but I've learned how to just not be too hard on myself when it comes to cleaning. This quarantine, it got me thinking of why I clean. I was definitely not like this when I was younger. I could even say I was a bit of a slob. When I started this channel, I wasn't too sure if I'm gonna be ready for the judgment when people see the mess in our house. People are gonna talk and voice out their opinions. And sometimes, they would trash talk about how you manage your own home. That's just life. Even if your house is generally clean, a person can point out that one small spot of your house that's imperfect. You can't please everyone, and it shouldn't be our goal. Now, I clean my house because I want to, not because I yearn for the approval of people who would see that tiny mistake I made. I clean my house so my husband and I would enjoy this safe place we call home. So I usually clean this cooktop once every 3 nights because we're just a family of 2 and there's not a lot of mess that we make here. But I'm seeing that this will definitely change as our family grows. So you can see here I'm just wiping everything with a microfiber cloth, and I'm just spraying it all with this all-purpose cleaner. And I'm just gonna let it stay for a couple of minutes, and right after you'll see me wiping the areas that are less oily. So that's how I usually do it, from less oily areas to the most oily areas, so I don't really cross-contaminate or just spread all the oil all over the cooktop. I'm just gonna clean this microfiber cloth with some dish soap and water, rinse it, and just let it dry. It may not be obvious on the camera, but there's a lot of sticky oil and food residue on this area, so that's why I'm going to wipe it all with the all-purpose cleaner. See, that's the oil stuff. But it's just not that obvious. But when you touch it, it's actually very sticky and yucky, so that's why I had to clean that part. When I don't finish folding our clothes, I would normally do this at night. So during the day, it's wash and dry, and during at night, it's hang and fold. If you've been in this channel for a while, you would notice that I would fold our laundry on our couch. So it'll leave a huge mess. So that's why after folding everything, I would tidy up the couch so it's ready to be smashed the following day. Anyway, you guys, please let me know at the comment section down below Do you also fold your laundry in the evening? Or is it just me that I just leave it there the whole day? Please let me know in the comment section. I may look like I'm talking to a furniture or no one, but I'm actually talking to my husband there. So, yes, I am not a crazy person talking to myself. That's all. Anyways, make sure you guys go to Nathalia's channel and please check out her video on pampering and self-care. It's really, really important, especially during this quarantine, that you take care of yourself. She has a lot of good tips there. The link to her video is on my description box down below, and leave her a comment. Say something nice, guys. It's quarantine period and it's a good time to be nice to everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed to this channel if you like cleaning and cooking motivation, Dollar Tree hauls, homeware hauls, and all of that good stuff every Tuesday and Thursday. Thank you so much for watching, you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!